Hey guys, this is Scott, and today on the No Budget Homestead, what I want to do is I kind of want to revisit something I haven't done in a couple of years, and I've had a lot of requests for this, especially within the last few months, I guess because of the new year and everything, and that is the penny a day challenge. Okay, for those of you who don't know about the penny a day challenge, that's when we take a penny, and we turn it into this. Okay, and we're not even done with the year yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have created this spreadsheet for the penny a day challenge, and it covers each day, and as you go through it, you mark off the day as you put your money in here. Okay, each day. And of course it starts from a penny, and then the next day you add 2 cents to it, and then the next day you add 3 cents, and the next day you add 4 cents, then 5 cents, etc. The most you're putting out per day is $3.66. Yep, and that will be the 366th day. But when you're finished, you'll have over $671.61. You know, you can do a lot with that money. At least I could on the homestead. You know, there's so many things you can do with it. So let me get you in closer on this spreadsheet, and I'll show you again a little more details about it, okay? Okay, here's a close-up of this penny a day challenge spreadsheet, okay? If you notice, I got a day column, an amount column, and a total column, which shows the running total for all your contributions. Okay? And we got 2 columns. You know, when you get down into one column here, you go over to the top of the next column. Oh, and so on. It's about a 4-page document, okay? Alright, so you put in a penny the first day, and you got a penny. Put in the second day, you put in 2 pennies, and you have 3. And then the third day, you put in 3 pennies, and you got 6 cents. You put in 4 pennies, you got 10 cents, etc. on down the road until you hit the end where you put in a total after 366 days. You would have put in the last day $3.66 for a total of $671.61. All right, just for giggles, I went ahead and did the nickel a day challenge. Okay, and I just thought you guys might enjoy seeing what it will come out to be if instead of a penny you did a nickel. Alright, got the same 3 columns, same format as the penny a day challenge. Okay, got the day column, the contribution each day that you make, and then the running total of what you got, which helps motivate you also. Okay, so can anybody guess how much you'll have at the end of 366 days? And I'll pause for a second. I'll give you a count of 5, see if you guys can guess, okay? Anybody get it? Did you say over 600? Of course, it would be over 600. But let me show you. Okay, here we go with the big reveal, okay? For the nickel a day challenge. See how many of you guessed right. That is $3,355.75. The most you'll pay in a single day would be $18.30. Yes, that can definitely add up. Okay, but you know what? If any of you out there actually were able to complete this, please let me know. I'd love to know the challenges you face while trying to reach it. And well, I thought that was interesting, and I thought you guys might enjoy seeing that. Okay? Alright. Well, now you can see that the penny a day challenge is very easy for anyone to do. Okay? And if you would like a copy, please private message me. Give me your email address, and I can send you a PDF copy. And if you would like the Excel spreadsheet copy, let me know that. So tell me either Excel or PDF, and I can go ahead and send a copy out to you. Okay? And if you're also interested in the nickel a day challenge, which is something I just did for fun to see how it would come out, contact me also.